To be an effective marketer, you need to quickly turn insights into campaigns, and campaigns into results. And while AI can speed this up, it's still a new tool to learn. So let's give you a leg up. Welcome to AI Boost Bootcamp for marketers, where we'll give you quick tips to get the most out of Google's tools, all in one course. In the next few lessons, we'll explore how you can use AI tools from Google to launch a campaign from beginning to end, by conducting market research, scaling content creation, and much more. But before we jump in, a quick note. This course covers more advanced AI use cases for marketing. If you want a refresher on the basics, check out the 101 course for all job roles. We recommend starting there first. So, let's get started. Have you ever wished you could speed up your campaign research? It's easy to get overwhelmed by all of the research you need to unlock key insights. Insights that bring a campaign from good to great. Gemini and NotebookLM can help. Let's take a look.
Today, I want to show you how NotebookLM can transform the way you handle mountains of information and empower you to focus on what you do best: great marketing. NotebookLM is designed to be your AI research and thinking partner, grounded in the information you trust. Instead of general AI models, NotebookLM works directly with the documents you provide, turning static information into interactive resource. Let's look at some powerful marketing workflows NotebookLM can help with. Analyzing customer feedback. Got customer reviews, testimonials, or survey responses? Upload them to NotebookLM and ask it to categorize insights by sentiment or themes. You can quickly identify common pain points or feature users consistently mention missing. This helps you make data-backed decisions and improve customer satisfaction. You can even upload support tickets or phone call recordings for analysis. Market and competitor research. Upload industry reports, competitor analysis, documents, or market trend studies. Ask NotebookLM to summarize key insights, identify major shifts, or analyze competitor strengths and weaknesses mentioned in reviews. This helps you stay informed and shape your strategy. It's excellent for consolidating information from market reports and technical updates. Pro tip: you can create an audio overview and listen to it on your commute. Content ideation and creation. Need ideas for your newsletter, next blog post, or even ad campaigns? Upload your notes, successful past content, and industry news. NotebookLM can help curate and generate content ideas. You can even upload transcripts of sales calls to uncover language patterns that resonate with customers, helping refine your pitches. Want a pro tip? You can upload examples of the output or templates, and NotebookLM can get started on creating outputs based on the examples provided. And you can save these as notes, so you can come back to it later, or for your team members to review. NotebookLM is available to everyone for free. For users who need more, NotebookLM in Pro, available in Google One, Workspace, or Cloud, offers higher limits, additional features, and more. Go to notebooklm.google today and explore these workflows and see how NotebookLM can become your essential AI research partner for marketing.
As a marketer, you know how critical it is to keep an eye on the competition. But how much time do you spend digging through articles, social media, and case studies just to piece together their strategy? What if you could get a comprehensive report on their latest campaigns in the time it takes to drink your morning coffee? Today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini Deep Research to do exactly that, saving you hours of work and giving you the insights you need to stay ahead. Let's dive in. My goal is to prepare our 2025 planning session by understanding what our competitors have been doing in the AI marketing space. Instead of opening 100 tabs, I'm going to ask Deep Research to be our personal research assistant. Here is the prompt I'll use. Help me research recent AI-powered marketing campaigns to benchmark for 2025 planning. The first thing Gemini does is transform my prompt into a personalized, multi-point research plan. I can review this, edit it if needed, or just approve it to let Gemini get to work. This ensures the research is tailored to my exact questions. I'll click Start Research. Now, Deep Research autonomously searches and deeply browses the web to find relevant, up-to-date information. This is the power of having an AI agent that can search on your behalf, saving you from having to manually sift through all this information. In just a few minutes, I get a detailed report outlining the key campaigns, the strategies used, and the results. it synthesizes all of its findings into comprehensive custom research reports. This would have taken me a full day to put together on my own. So how can this supercharge your work? First, you get instant competitive intelligence, stay on top of market trends without the manual research grind. Second, you can make data-driven decisions faster, walk into your next planning meeting with a full report, ready to inform your strategy. And third, you free up your time for what matters most, creativity and execution, not just research.
Staring at a strategy document and struggling to identify the weak points? As a chief of staff, I review and draft a lot of strategy documents, and it can be tough to challenge your own thinking and to see what you might be missing. Wish you had a way to quickly pressure test your plans and uncover hidden assumptions? That's why I'm excited to share how AI can help sharpen your strategy by poking holes in your thinking, just like a business analyst or a seasoned executive. This is something I use all the time to help me make the best decision possible and to anticipate any questions or concerns executives might raise. I call it the poke holes method. Let's see it in action. Step 1, start by feeding your strategy document into your AI tool of choice. This could be a Google Doc, PDF, or even just text pasted into the prompt box. Step 2, prompt. Now it's time to ask the tough questions. Use a persona-driven prompt like, you're an executive business analyst reviewing this plan. What are the top 3 areas where you would want more information? Another example, you're a marketing campaign manager. What are the top 3 reasons this plan might fail to resonate with our target audience? Or maybe even, you're a customer insights expert. What are the top 3 customer needs that this plan does not address? Step 3, output. Let the AI analyze the documents and provide its insights. Look for patterns, gaps in logic, and areas where the plan could be strengthened. Pro tip, iterate on your prompts. Refine your questions based on the AI's initial responses to dig deeper and uncover even more valuable insights. And that's the poke holes method. With AI, you can transform your strategy review process from a gut feeling exercise into a data-driven quest for improvement. This is a great way to make sure that your thinking and strategy is executive ready and holistically sound.
Let's recap. First, NotebookLM can help analyze a large amount of customer feedback. Next, Gemini Deep Research gives a comprehensive report on any topic, but for marketers, it's a great place to help kickstart your audience and competitor research. Lastly, use the Gemini app as your feedback coach to test and improve your marketing strategy. Now it's easier to build that marketing strategy by automating manual work like analysis and research across multiple sources. To keep exploring Gemini use cases, go to the next lesson.